Hello dear students, today in this particular video exercise 13.3 sum number 6 onwards I am explaining you. Up to sum number 5 I already explained in the previous video. Here there is a circle and in this circle we have an equilateral triangle and we have to find the area of the shaded region. So you see in the diagram the area of the shaded region is area of circle minus area of triangle. But the important part is that we have only the radius of the circle. There is no information about the side of the equilateral triangle which is required for the area of the equilateral triangle, and or there is no other hint for the area of the equilateral triangle. So the required area equals to pi r square minus root 3 upon 4 a square. R we are already having. It is 22 upon 7, 32 ka square. That part we are already having, but we don't have any information regarding the side. So we'll take help of the trigonometry. You know this is the equilateral triangle, and if I join this vertex to the center, then this will be the bisector. So this angle is 30 degree. Now in triangle ODB cos 30 sorry cos 30 is x upon 32. Now the value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2 x upon 32. So if you cross multiply 32 root 3 equals to 2x. It is root 3. Now you see what is the BC here. So BC equals to A equals to root 32 root 3. So we have got the side. So now we'll put the side here. Root 3 by 4, 32 root 3 ka whole square. Please see this part. And I hope now this part is clear to you. It is not required to explain this particular part. If you simplify this and if you do the calculations, then this part will be, I am writing directly the answer 22528 upon 7, and this part will be 768 root 3. This much centimeter square, and as I told you that if you divide it by 7 it is non-terminating and this will be irrational form. So better you can keep your answer like this only. The important part here is how to find the side of an equilateral triangle. Now I am taking the next problem. Please see. Yes. Now you see in this we have to find the area of this part, shaded region. So area of this part will be required area equals to area of square minus 4 into 1 upon 4 pi r square. That is 4 into area of each quadrant. There are 4 quadrants here. As you know that it is a square, so this angle is 90 degree. Now it is given here that the side of the square is 14. So this will be 7 and this will be 7. And similarly it will be for other circle also. So this 4 and 4 cancelled. Area of square is 14 into 14. 22 upon 7. The radius is 7. So 7 into 7. So it is 196 minus 154. So answer is 42 centimeter square. This is not very complicated sum. This type of sum we have done earlier also. So the answer is 42 centimeter square. I am taking the next problem which is little complicated. Please be attentive. Yes, you see this problem. This is one of the important problem and it can be asked in the exam. In this, we have to find the length of the inner track as well as the area of the track. If I start from here, this straight length it is given 106 meter and this side also 106 meter. That is this AB part from here to here and this ED part. Then there is a semicircle joining here. This curve is semicircle and the diameter of this part is 60 meter. So from here this radius will be 30 meter this way. So first part is inner length of track. Inner length of track is AB plus BCD plus DE plus EFA. Now AB is 106, BCD is pi r, half of the semicircle, then it is 106, then it is pi r. So it is 212 plus 2 pi r. That will be the inner length. So here it is 212 plus 2 into 22 upon 7 into 30. So that will be the inner length of the track, and if you simplify this part, it is 2804 upon 7 meter. That you can solve. That is not required to explain. So that is the length of inner track. Now the second part is we have to find the area of the straight. For area, if I join it from here and join it from here, then this is the first area, and if I join here and join here, this is the second area. Now this first area and second area, these are definitely the rectangle, and this third area and fourth area, these are the semicircular rings. So here the area is, we see this part, the area of ring track. The second part is area of track is 106 into 10. Now ये 10 कहाँ से आया? This is the width of the track. It is given in the sum that this width is 10 meter. So it is 106 into 10 plus 106 into 10. That is first part and second part. Now I am coming to the third part. You see, if I take this third part and fourth part and if I join them, there will be a perfect ring like this. So the area of the third part is half pi r square minus r square, and the area of the fourth part is also half pi r square, means half of the ring. So it is 1060 plus half, and half will be pi r square minus r square. 2120, 22 upon 7. Now you see the part. See, this radius is 30 and this width is 10, so this will be 4. So capital R is 40 meter and small r is 30 meter. So by using 40 meter and 30 meter, when you write here 40 meter, so 40 ka square, 30 meter, 30 ka square. So it is 2120, 22 upon 7. As I told you, 1600 minus 900, it is 700. So it is 100. So 2120 plus 2200. Final answer is 4320 meter square. This is the important sum. This can be asked even in the case study also. Please prepare this problem very nicely. This is the practical sum in this exercise. Coming to the next problem now. Yes, students, you see this now. There is a circle, and in the circle, this is small circle, and there are two segments. So we have to find the area of the shaded region. So you see area of shaded region is area of inner circle plus area of semicircle, this semicircle minus area of triangle ABC, that is this triangle, area of this triangle. Now it's very simple. Area of semicircle is pi r square, area of semicircle is half pi r square, and area of triangle is half AB into OC. This capital R is 14 centimeter and the small r, capital R is 7 centimeter and the small r is 7 by 2 centimeter as it is given here. So the answer is 22 upon 7, 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 plus half 22 by 7, 7 into 7 plus half 14 into 7. See this now, pi r square, small r, 7 by 2, 7 by 2, half pi r square, 7 into 7, minus half AB. This is 7 and this is 7, so it is 14 and it is 7. So when we simplify this, 7 and 7 cancel, this is 11. So 77 upon 2 plus 7 and 7 cancel, 77 upon 1 minus, this is 7, so it is 49. So that is the final part, and if you simplify this, the answer will be 66.5 centimeter square, which is not a big part. You can simplify this by taking the LCM and you can get the answer. I hope this problem is clear to you and you can manage all these sums up to sum number 9. In the next video, I'll explain you more problems. Thank you.